That's a suspicious looking gap.
Shut up and sit down.
Step 1. Abuse the friendship of the only person I know with a trailer. Oh! Hi Sam.
Hi.
No, we haven't got it yet.
Okay.
Officially, we haven't got the press yet, and we haven't forgotten to do the intro either. We definitely haven't got the press in the back and are pretending we haven't got it
I'm
yet.
just the driver.
You're just the driver. I'm the brains of the operation, obviously, and the muscle, and the good looks. Ooh. Ooh. Hi, we're on our way to get a press, honestly. We definitely haven't already got it in the back, and we're not filming this out of sequence.
I think we succeeded.
I think we nailed it. So this is the place we're picking the press up from. Their horse is a bit more impressive than mine, but I bet it doesn't have a bottle opener up its arsehole. So we're back at the workshop. We've got it to here. And now we don't know how to get it to there. It's very heavy. That's disgusting. This is going to be fun. Just hop onto there. Okay, ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. Either that or just lift like.
We'll do that.
I don't know, what do you reckon? Happy with that?
Yeah, it's going to be better for backs, isn't it?
Yeah, probably. You not caught anything, there's some sharp things behind you.
No, we need it.
Okay, ready? Yeah. Right. 1, 2, 3. Oh, fucking hell. Right. Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. I can't see where we are. Okay. Yep. 1, 2, 3. You can walk it from there. That made us satisfying.
It does sound conclusive.
That sounds in. Heavy boy, chunky boy. Right, now what?
That's your bit then.
Yeah, just gotta slide it back.
Just roll it on that little bar I've got.
Is it gonna be split? No, I haven't got much space this side. I've probably got something we can use. Hang on. We could use 2 small bars either side, couldn't we? The ultimate's a bit dodgy, isn't it? It's not much though, You happy tilting?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah. Let's give it a bit.
Yeah. Yep. Oh, hang on. Okay. This is the dodgy bit, isn't it? Mind you, if we just scoot it. Start to laying down, drop off.
You can move the world with a round piece of metal, can't you?
Yeah. Give me a fulcrum big enough, I can move the world.
Yeah, I wanted to change it.
I don't think that's right either. I think it's a
to
prime
change
bar.
it. It seems a little bit underkill. Wait.
I agree. That was bowed, isn't it?
Okay, it definitely needs another crossbar.
Yeah, I think I'm going to put one of those in. I think that might be the first thing I do with it. It does look like the bottom's kind of whip. Even just a cross beam along there. Just keep them apart. Right, let's wire the plug and see if we can get it going.
Where's the plug?
Over here.
That was quite satisfying.
Or me tripping over the stump.
No, trying to hang it on there and it just went. Whoop.
Let's squish something. What can we squish? What could possibly go wrong?
Time.
that worked. Oh, that's as high as it goes. Need a smaller piece.
But you can squash it to make it smaller. That's such a good point.
Sam wants a go. Go on, give it some gully.
It's got a soft word.
It is springing. It's probably because it's wet. I mean, it does the job. Oh.
Is there anything to go on that it seemed to be when you let go of the pressure, it was
Coming back up again.
a little bit?
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't matter, it's just where the...
That's not to suggest that it's struggling.
No, I don't think so. Come on. Let's get some rebar up. I'm squashing stuff. I mean, it certainly is a thing. Man, I frickin' love this thing. And I'm super excited to make some tooling and put this thing through its paces. Now, according to the guy I bought this from, this started life as an oil can crusher. And underneath where the fuller die is at the moment, there's a hole, and if you look on the underside, that's where it used to drain the oil into some container down here. But he and an electrician friend decided to bypass a lot of the controls and put this switch in the side, which, by the way, I fully approve of the labelling. And yeah, this is the result. We're not entirely sure of how much pressure it's got. The guy I bought it from suggested it's around a 20-ton ram, however, I'm not entirely sure about that. It looks to be a bit on the small side for something that big, but then, I mean, I'm not an expert, so it could well be. But I think the first thing I'm going to make is a punch for punching eyes in axe heads. That's something I want to give a try. And overall, whilst this thing is pretty much ready for use, there's a few changes I might make. I'm a little bit worried about this frame. It seems to be rather flimsy for the weight that's on top of it, so I think I might just put a cross brace along the bottom. I remember thinking at the time, and then Sam echoed my concerns when we moved it unprompted, so, you know, that said enough for me. But otherwise, yeah, this thing is pretty much set up and ready to use, and, I mean, just playing with it briefly, it already seems to be a lot of fun. So with a combination of the press and the power hammer, I'm feeling rather well set up at the moment. I've been after one of these things for a really long time, and trying to find them on eBay or Marketplace or even, like, machining sites they just don't come up. And whilst a lot of blacksmiths make their own, I don't know enough about hydraulics in order to try that. And having watched a video by Christ-Centered Ironworks years ago, I remember him stating that a power hammer will maim you, but a hydraulic press will kill you just because it's under such high pressure in the lines. So I didn't really want to muck around half-arsed. I wanted something that was pre-made and ready for use. But yeah, this thing's obviously going to feature in a lot more videos, and I think the next one I may well be trying to make some tooling for it, but I haven't quite decided on that yet. Anyway, if you're interested and you want to see what I do with this thing, then consider liking, commenting, subscribing, all the usual, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.